Welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, today we will be making a soap today using Alkarnet root powder to make a natural color for our soaps, okay? Before we start, I would like to say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get started. Okay, please make sure that you have a net on your hair, you're wearing gloves, you have long sleeves on, you have your goggles and gloves. Please make sure that you are wearing the proper attire, and also make sure you have on closed-toe shoes. No open shoes, please. No open shoes. Our oil and lye water is at room temperature. The oils that we are using today and our soap called the Best Basic Cold Process Soap. Okay, and we will be using Canola Oil, organic coconut oil, organic olive oil, and of course, we are using distilled water with lye. Our fragrant oil today is Cranberry Fig. We are using Alkarnet root powder along with Himalayan pink sea salt. So let's get started. Okay, so all my oils at room temperature already in here. I have my lye water right here. We are going to pour our lye water down the shaft of our stick blender. I'm placing my lye cup into the sink, stirring it a little bit before I put it on. Comment down below which one is your favorite video. Can you tell me? I would appreciate that. Okay, we're going to put in our fragrant oil, which is cranberry fig. And it smells so nice, cranberry fig. Okay, and we're going to take some of this out because we're going to have a color, which is going to be Alkarnet root. And we go right into the Alkarnet root. You see what color that is? But it looks kind of gray now. But I guarantee you, when we start, as the soap cures, it's going to change its color. And we're going to come back and visit that. So this is called Alkarnet root. All right. The quote of the day is, love is a great, beautiful. Let me say that again. Love is a great, beautiful. Have y'all gone over to my Etsy shop? Go check out my Etsy shop. I have already posted a lot of new skincare treats for you at Glennceria Loving Hands. Take the S off of hands, okay? So it's Glennceria Loving Hand at Etsy. Go check it out. Remember, tell me what's your best video on my YouTube channel. I would like to know that. What's the best video you like? Let's get these in the bowl, in our mold. So today we're going to use this mold. So as you can see, it went to full trace, which is fine. We're not even going to worry about it. We put a layer down at the bottom. Okay. Well, hit that down. There you go. And you're able to see that, which is great. Okay. All right. We continue in pouring in. And it's setting up really fast, but that's okay. We're pounding it down. Gonna add some more. Just get it in. Don't worry about it. It'll be fine. There you go. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, let's hit it down some. See that? We're gonna take our chopstick, remember, and we're just gonna do some swirls, or whatever you like to do. Okay? We're gonna stop right there because I have something else I wanna add to this. We're gonna hit it down. Okay? Make sure we add the rest to the top, and I'll bring you back once we finish. Okay, we're back. We're going to decorate our top. And I also have some 24 karat gold mica here. And I'm going to just drizzle some on the top. Like so. Okay, here we go. So we have the best basic cold process soap. It was quick, it was easy. I put a little body glitter on it. And guess what? Let's take some of this Himalayan pink sea salt and let's sprinkle that some in too on the top. That would be great. Nice little treat when you washing up with this bar of soap. And also we use our 91% rubbing alcohol. Okay. Let's hold that up. Here you go. The best basic cold process soap. Isn't that beautiful?